I'm doing a quick cabin air filter change out. I know a lot of people go to mechanics and they offer to do it and they'll charge like 25 to 30 bucks. Don't pay that. You can do it for like 10 to 15 pretty easily in probably less than like 2 minutes. Watch. First thing you gotta do is turn the car on. Bam, that's it. Next, after that, clean out your glove box. Third step, just pull this out. Bam. Next thing you do is this little piece right here. All you gotta do is pull that out. Bam. Next thing. Next step, don't try to manually open this. It's gonna mess it up. What you do is simply just push this button right here. Bam. See how that drop top on them? Bam. Now it's open. So all you gotta do is stick your hand in here. You're gonna push towards the engine to get them off the clips, and then just slide it out. Bam. Look how dirty that is. I had allergies before, so this might be one of the triggers for my allergies I've been getting for the past week or so. Now I'm gonna get the next one. So I got this air filter right here. Like it says, high efficiency, high density, long lasting, easy to install. It's a pretty easy process. So this is the new one I got the yellow one. It's pretty easy to follow. It says airflow, go down. So you put it this way, turn it sideways, and all you gotta do is push it in. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Hit the subscribe button, and I'm out. Gone.